Women appreciate thoughtful, affectionate gestures that show they're cherished. Here are 7 such gestures that women adore, but only a few men do consistently. 1. Random acts of kindness. Whether it's bringing her favorite snack, leaving sweet notes, or doing a chore she dislikes, these small, unexpected acts go a long way in showing love. 2. Listening attentively. Truly listening, without interrupting or offering solutions, makes a woman feel valued and understood. It's a simple yet powerful way to show you care. 3. Thoughtful touches. A gentle touch on the back, holding hands, or a surprise hug can convey affection and make her feel secure and loved. 4. Planning date nights. Taking the initiative to plan a special evening shows that you're invested in the relationship and enjoy spending quality time together. 5. Complimenting her sincerely. Compliments that go beyond appearance, like praising her intelligence, kindness, or talents, make her feel deeply appreciated. 6. Supporting her ambitions. Encouraging her dreams and being genuinely interested in her goals demonstrates respect and partnership. 7. Remembering the little things. Whether it's recalling an important date or remembering her favorite movie, these details show that you pay attention to what matters to her. Thanks for watching.